What is up, guys? Welcome to Platinum Built Vlogs. If you are new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, follow along on our journey here. We got some snow last night and a little more than I was anticipating, but I kind of messed up my plans today, but hey, no worries. I always get asked this question about my truck, 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum Powerstroke. I always get this question, hey, how much does it cost you, monthly, payment, insurance, fuel, basically how much does it cost me to have this truck? Today, we're gonna go through that, but right now, we are on the hunt for unplowed and untouched roads, parking lots, or whatever to have some fun in the snow. Let's go. All right, I think we found a spot. It looks to be, I don't know, pretty untouched. Traction control off, okay. Advanced track off, okay. So let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, we can't even move. Someone already beat us to it. Back here doing donuts. We're stuck. I can still kind of feel the advanced track and the traction control. I don't know exactly how it works or what it does, but it feels like, the advanced track is still on and the traction control is still kind of on. I can feel it, robbing power here and there. So you don't have like full raw control over the truck. I'm gonna pull the fuses. Real quick while I pull the fuses, let's shoot to earlier today. Check out early in the morning, right after the snow fell. Let's go.
Oh my God. Well, guess we got a little bit of snow last night for the second day of spring. I think the first day of spring was yesterday. Today's the 21st. Yesterday was the 20th. Gotta clean the truck. Trusty dusty squeegee.
I forgot gloves, my hands are froze. Well, it is the crack of 8:30 and we got snow. I do love the snow, but don't like the cold. We got a doctor's appointment. The roads are pretty covered. Doctors were a huge success. We have some great family things going on, and I've been super busy with business and family stuff and this and that. I haven't been making any videos. But today it's a snow day video, so let's go check it out. All right, I didn't actually pull the fuses, but we're gonna go see what we can do in four-wheel drive. I don't really like four-wheel drive because it pushes a lot, but you can get it sliding if you kind of mess with it. All right, so four-wheel drive, it kind of works, but it pushes a lot in the front. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's four-wheel drive, and the truck's real heavy in the front. So, but it's really hard to get moving in two-wheel drive. I can't really go anywhere. You can see there, the place is pretty ripped up. The snow is, it's like a wet snow, but it gets packed in pretty good. And that's what kind of sucks for doing the two-wheel drive donuts or anything. You got to get your speed up, and then once you get kind of out of whack, when you lose speed, you get stuck and you can't move. But ton of fun. This is what we do in a snow day with the Platinum. All right, guys, the truck has been taking an absolute hammering. I mean, I don't know, it hasn't skipped a beat. Shouldn't. But let's get to the reason why you came to this video, and I'll get crucified in the comments for clickbaiting. The breakdown costs of owning this truck here, 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum Powerstroke. So I'm going to break down my monthly payment, my insurance, and my fuel. So basically what it costs me a month to have this truck and drive it and use it normally. First things first, whenever I bought the truck, I financed it through my local credit union for the longest term that I could, because honestly, I wanted my payment as low as it could possibly be. You always want to be prepared for the worst case scenario to have that low payment just in case. But yeah, I put $0 down, financed it for 84 months. You can always pay more, you can never pay less. So my payment is $1,068 a month. Now, yes, that is a lot. To me, that is a killer payment. You know, on my last truck, it was a 2015 Ram 3500. My payment was only, I think, $700. And that was a lot when I first bought that truck. I thought $700 was insane. I'm like, who the heck pays $700 a month for a truck or a vehicle, put it that way? And now I'm paying $1,000, which is crazy. Now insurance is actually pretty cheap. I've been with Progressive since I started driving, since I was 16 years old. I just go right online, fill in all the required fields, and get an insurance policy right over the computer. My insurance for that truck, full coverage, everything you needed. I mean, obviously it's a super expensive truck. You can't have liability. My insurance is $117 a month. I personally don't think that that's too bad. $117 a month for insurance, I'll take it. So there you go. You have the truck payment, which is $1,068. Insurance is about $117. Now let's get to fuel. Fuel, I don't know. I fill up every so often or whatever. So I figure spend about $75 a week in fuel. So that's about $300 a month. You know, depending, that changes though. I don't normally drive all that much. So I just estimated at 75, like one fill up a week, put it that way. So that's like $300 a month. So if you have your $300 a month in fuel, your $117 in insurance, and your $1,068 in truck payment, you are at a grand total of $1,485. I've never actually calculated that number before. That's kind of a lot. That's kind of like I could have a house for that payment, and I have a truck instead of a house. But I love vehicles, I love trucks, and I love that truck. I wouldn't trade it for anything else. A lot of people think that, if you buy these big, nice, expensive things, you buy them to impress people. Not the case with me. I just simply love that truck. I was looking at Lariats, and they had a Lariat and a Platinum sitting right next to each other, and I'm like, for a couple more thousand, I'm getting the Platinum. But $1,485 is a lot of money a month to have tied up in one vehicle. I mean, you could have a couple different cars for that amount of money a month. But like I said, I absolutely love it. The truck runs so good. I'm gonna do everything you need to know about the F-250 Powerstroke coming up here. That'll be its own video. I roughly have like a little over 6,000 miles on the truck. So I've pretty much came across using it across all platforms, towing, hauling, putting stuff in the bed, daily driving, city driving, highway driving. So I'll be able to give you guys an actual good review on what I think realistically about having that truck and what my honest opinion is after having it for 6,000 miles. But that's it. That's my total expense, $1,485 a month. If you divide that by 4, you're paying about $371 a week. I kind of like to calculate things on a weekly scale just to figure out how much money you have to make per week to at least cover your expenses. There you have it. You got to save $371 a week to have a 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum Powerstroke. Always remember, if you want to do something, anything is possible. You just got to make it happen. That's all. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone had a great day. I will catch everyone on the next video. Hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. Peace!